Hello, everyone. Welcome to Small Talk Podcast. I'm Emily. I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Robert. Hello, hello, hello. It's wonderful to see you all again.
Robert, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, Emily. Thank you for asking. What about you?
I'm wonderful. I'm so excited about our lesson today.
Me too. Today is going to be very helpful for everyone.
Yes, before we start, please remember to like this video.
And subscribe to Small Talk Podcast. It helps us so much.
Share this with your friends who are learning English too.
Okay, Emily, what is our topic today?
Today we are talking about easy English conversation, simple conversations.
Perfect. This is something everyone needs.
Exactly. Every day we talk to people, at work, at school, at the store.
Yes, but sometimes we feel nervous. We don't know what to say.
That's normal. Even I feel nervous sometimes.
Me too. But today we will practice together.
Yes, we will learn easy phrases, easy questions, easy answers.
And you can use them anywhere, anytime.
Let's start with greetings. This is very important.
Yes, when you meet someone, what do you say?
You can say hello, you can say hi, you can say good morning.
Good afternoon is also good, or good evening.
These are simple and polite. Everyone understands them.
Right. And after hello, what comes next?
Usually we ask, how are you?
That's a very common question. How do we answer?
You can say, I'm fine, thank you, or I'm good, thanks.
You can also say, I'm okay, or I'm great.
And then you ask back. You say, and you? How are you?
That's very polite. It shows you care about the other person.
Let's practice. Robert, hello, how are you?
Hello, Emily. I'm great, thank you. And you?
I'm wonderful, thanks. See? Very easy.
Very easy. Now everyone can try at home.
Yes, practice with a friend, practice in the mirror, just practice.
Okay, what else can we talk about in a conversation?
We can talk about the weather. This is very popular.
Yes, everyone talks about weather. It's a safe topic.
You can say, it's a nice day today, or it's cold outside.
You can say, it's sunny, it's rainy, it's windy.
Or you can say, the weather is beautiful, the weather is terrible.
Simple words, simple sentences, but very useful.
Let's try. Robert, the weather is nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's very sunny. I like it.
Me too. Perfect weather for a walk.
Exactly. And just like that, we have a conversation.
Easy and natural. No stress, no worry.
Now let's talk about another topic, asking questions.
Questions are important. They keep the conversation going.
Yes, when you ask questions, people can answer. Then you can talk more.
What are some easy questions we can ask?
You can ask, where are you from? This is very common.
Yes, people like to talk about their home, their country.
You can also ask, what do you do? That means their job.
Or do you work or study? That's another way to ask.
You can ask, what are your hobbies? What do you like to do?
These questions are friendly. They show interest.
And they help you learn about the other person.
Let me ask you, Robert, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books. I also like to go for walks. What about you?
I like to cook. I also enjoy watching movies.
Oh, what kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies. They make me laugh. And you?
I like adventure movies. They're exciting.
See how easy that was? We just had a real conversation.
Yes. Question, answer, question, answer. It flows naturally.
Exactly. You don't need difficult words. Just be yourself.
Now let's talk about showing interest. This is very important.
Yes, when someone talks, you need to listen. You need to respond.
You can say, really? Or, that's interesting. Or, wow.
You can say, oh, I see. Or, that sounds great.
These small words show you are listening. You care.
They encourage the other person to talk more.
Let's practice. Emily, I went to the beach yesterday.
Oh, really? That sounds wonderful. How was it?
It was beautiful. The water was so blue.
Wow, I love the beach. Did you swim?
Yes, I did. The water was perfect.
That's so nice. I'm happy you had a good time.
Thank you. See, Those little words made the conversation better.
They did. They showed I was interested in your story.
Now let's talk about compliments, saying nice things.
Compliments are wonderful. They make people happy.
You can say, "I like your shirt," or "Your hair looks nice."
You can say, "You speak English very well," or "That's a good idea."
Simple compliments, but they mean a lot.
And when someone gives you a compliment, what do you say?
You say, "Thank you," or "Thanks, I appreciate it."
You can also say, "That's very kind of you," or "Thank you so much."
Being polite is always good. It creates good feelings.
Let's try. Robert, your voice is very clear. It's easy to understand you.
Oh, thank you, Emily. That's very kind of you. Your energy is wonderful.
Thank you so much. I try my best.
See? Compliments make everyone smile.
They do. They make conversations more positive and warm.
Now, what about ending a conversation? How do we do that politely?
Good question. Sometimes we need to go. We need to leave.
Yes, but we want to be polite. We don't want to be rude.
You can say, "It was nice talking to you."
Or, "I enjoyed our conversation. Thank you."
You can say, "I have to go now," or "I should get going."
Then you can say, "Have a nice day," or "See you later."
Or "Take care," or "Goodbye." All of these are good.
The important thing is to be friendly and respectful.
Let's practice ending a conversation. Robert, I have to go now. I have a meeting.
Oh, okay. It was nice talking to you, Emily.
You too, Robert. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. See you next time.
Perfect. That was polite and friendly.
Yes, the other person feels good, you feel good, everyone is happy.
Now I want to share some important tips for our listeners.
Great idea. What's the first tip?
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are normal.
That's so true. Everyone makes mistakes when learning.
Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Exactly. The important thing is to keep trying.
Second tip, speak slowly. Don't rush.
Yes, when you speak slowly, people understand you better.
And you have time to think about your words.
It also sounds more clear and confident.
Third tip, smile when you talk.
A smile makes your voice sound friendly.
People can hear a smile, even on the phone.
It's true. A smile changes everything.
Fourth tip, listen carefully to the other person.
Listening is just as important as speaking.
When you listen well, you can respond better.
And the conversation feels more natural.
Fifth tip, practice every day.
Even 5 minutes a day helps.
Talk to yourself in English. Talk to friends. Talk to us.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
These tips will help you have better conversations.
Yes, remember them, use them.
I think we covered so much today.
We did. Greetings, questions, compliments, and more.
All the basics for easy English conversation.
I hope everyone feels more confident now.
I hope so too. Confidence is the key.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Go to the comments and write a short conversation.
It can be 2 or 3 sentences. Just practice what we learned today.
For example, "Hello, how are you?" "I'm fine, thank you. The weather is nice today."
That's perfect. Write it in English. We will read it.
We love reading your comments. They make us so happy.
And please like this video if it helped you.
Subscribe to Small Talk Podcast for more lessons.
Share it with anyone who wants to learn English.
Together, we can help more people speak English with confidence.
Thank you so much for being here today.
Yes, thank you all. You are amazing.
Keep practicing. Keep smiling. You can do this.
We believe in you. We will see you in the next episode.
Until then, take care and have wonderful conversations.
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, Emily.
Goodbye, Robert. Goodbye, friends. See you soon.